says he isn't a scammer and questions his generation's morals. Just talk, or is this DJ really charting a different course?
I just realized, listen, people are gonna be people, so you have to be you.
22 and making moves. His mom was Gaza Sheba from Cartel's camp, but no silver spoon for Nhance growing up.
My mother didn't make nothing out of music, bro.
She didn't?
Nothing at all. I still grew up in a poverty. I still grew up come poor. I still grew up in a rent house. I still grew up with bed in a living room. For my little sister sleep on cartoon room. That's why I push it so hard.
But typical of teens, didn't always listen to his mother.
She tell me one thing in a music business, you can't trust everybody. And I start out, I trust everybody who come around me. And I know me I learn. I didn't need to listen to that one day. I trust friend around me, I say I trust man around me, bro. I sing up bass song for them and them I collect money for show and them thing then I tell me say, yo, yeah man, I just do it for your strength. You gotta feel that way about it at first, but you have to just realize you gotta go through it. Everybody go through it. Everybody have a story like that because it is true. You're part of the hustle.
The life we live in, one millions in minutes.
So, what's his thing as a DJ?
Me I know a scammer, bro. But we know a scammer exists in our world and them a do them thing. So me have to represent for me know about. Right now, my set a generation, them easier to accept. It's lack of things them. But my thing will grow, cause it a grow. You know, follow some little kid that artist when me hear talk about parents for grow up pitney. Listen, you will grow up in your house with your parents, and your parents is not your role model. Remember, you know your parents' lifestyle, you know say your parents poor, you not go idolize your parents. You idolize somebody where you sit on the internet and live this kind of lifestyle. Yeah. So whatever them put out that the kids them accept, because you will have a youth out there where Nhance if not care why mother want beat him and tell him say I'm father. I will Nhance say when him left out of mother yard and go school or go around and look for friends to them. Or anything where Nhance say my David. So me have to think for you them too.
So when I feeling, me tell her straight up.
What do you think the challenge is for this generation in terms of projecting their music?
Most of them I see right now, a rapper, them a try be as a dancehall artist. That's why some of them not really get too far, you know. People accept you as a dancehall artist, spread the culture there. The man them we have the big song them we bust a couple of years ago, and them still are running back and come get back some big song we bigger than everything where we there sing. But listen Beanie man enough. Beanie man and me artist. Terror Fabulous and me artist. I love Terror Fabulous tune them. Them flow just never sound like a whole song to me.
Bedroom booty, she no want that you know. She want a man to caress her open like so.
What is it that you want people to know about Nhance?
I want them to know say Nhance, I want you to believe in yourself. So the whole life fighting I do. If you stop, because we get all heap of fight from all heap of angle to say day.
What's that fight all about?
Nowadays, man, I pay man for slow down all your YouTube channel, report your Instagram page, report your TikTok page. Other artists are pay if you do it too. Right now, I pay if you think them flag and them style there. I know a video man when him there on an artist, him do a video for me. And the artist tell him to do a video. Artists were hotter than me.
People are bossing Nhance. They seem to come and they seem to go.
Where them a sing now last. It's just like you get a candy and it no good for you and you just box it off quick. And you get a cup of Cersei tea and you take long to drink it, but it do the most. Yeah. So them right now, them a grass. You know grass tea as it grow, it just dead. You see me? But me I try to be a tree. Me take long to grow, but when me grow fruits, me bear and can feed people and do all heap of things that make sense.
Have sort of old school, more established producers reached out to Nhance and said, I like your sound, I want to work with you?
Yeah man. What do you see try it and it come like a Jesus, me see. Cause all the years growing up, me only know Try It and name and never see me yet, but I always want to know who is Try It and.
Nhance with a bracing insight or two about his own generation.
My generation, to me, then kind of half key one way, but big them up, see me, because you realize, say, yeah, man, people not to have morals nowadays and them things there. You know? People not respect nobody nowadays, they not even respect themselves, bro. So my generation, maybe that's my generation a flex kind of. Them a flex kind of loose, bro. I mean, I just say this for nobody big me up. Me I tell the truth, because some things I must take place. No. Me I say, You know, say we lost for real. I never say them, you know, I say we. Because even me myself sometimes make some move and I say, oh, I want to make me do that again. I didn't even remember.
But he remembers a relationship gone notoriously wrong with someone he calls a social media girl.
1 year straight it have me in a whole heap of mix up. It was just a whole disaster. It was like a bundle of drama. Toxic. You know? I think people just take it for entertainment. Like everything fear is about the internet. We don't know about now. We don't know what she don't know. But at the time, that was fear thing. Even while the drama continued, me and Ivani stopped talking for like 4 months before the drama finished.
Your mother must have gotten on the act and said, listen, this has got to end.
Them themselves have them one episode. And I listen to me draw the line and me I say, this really needs to stop.
For somebody your age, you're 22,
well,
people want to know everything about your life.
Like the question we asked earlier, my generation, no, them really not a privacy. So it's like everybody think you're supposed to put out your whole entire life. Remember, you know, people I use the bathroom now and I TikTok it, you know, man.
So you weren't embarrassed?
You ever hear them use the term shame like a dog? Yeah, man, me shame like a dog. It break me for a moment.
So what did it take to get that out of your system?
I find back myself. Me did real toxic after and that wasn't me before she, so I think it take a turn from me. It's like the least of the thing we just get defensive and aggressive and start be barbaric in a type of way, and that I never me.
So no more contact between you and Ivani?
No, man, none at all. So no, it's safer. Yeah, man, I'm afraid of Ivani. We keep safe Ivani because like the cigarette one did backside.
What you think some people who might see this interview are going to take away about Nhance?
People are going to twist it. You have some people are going to say good. You have some people are going to say bad. It don't really matter to me. It work for me same way, you know. Because at the end of the day, even if you, Anthony Miller, yourself want to twist the interview and cut out something for it sound away, all me I go say is Anthony Miller, give me a bus. Look how I make everybody talk about me, who all everybody talk about Nhance, start talk about Nhance. So it not even really faze me how them want to do it. You see me, it is out there for the public, do whatever they want with it after that. I just realize, so listen, people are gonna be people, so you have to be you.
The life we live in, one millions in minutes. I just the thanks we giving.